Welcome to Wheel Check Review. The 2026 Kenworth W1000 Motorhome is a true masterpiece of engineering, blending the rugged capability of a heavy-duty truck with the luxurious comfort of a high-end motorhome. At first glance, its bold and aggressive stance captures attention, with a front grille that represents Kenworth's signature style: sleek chrome accents, aerodynamic contours, and LED matrix headlights that give it a commanding presence on the road. This motorhome is built not just to travel, but to dominate highways and off-road terrains with equal confidence. Under the hood, the W1000 houses a next-generation turbocharged diesel engine delivering immense torque and horsepower, allowing it to haul effortlessly even when fully loaded. With an advanced 12-speed automated transmission, now the drive is smooth. And the optimized fuel efficiency means you can take long journeys without worrying about frequent refueling stops. Kenworth has also equipped the W1000 with a hybridist system, giving drivers the option to switch to electric power in low-speed zones or environmentally sensitive areas. Stepping inside the motorhome, you're greeted by an interior that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. High-quality leather upholstery, handcrafted wood accents, and panoramic windows create an inviting and spacious atmosphere. The driver's cabin features an ultra-modern digital dashboard with AI-assisted navigation, real-time traffic monitoring, and full integration with voice control systems, so you can focus on driving while the vehicle handles route optimization. The living area offers an open floor plan with a convertible sofa, a fully equipped kitchen with state-of-the-art appliances, and a dining table that seats up to 6. The kitchen includes an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, microwave, and even a built-in coffee station. Lighting throughout the motorhome is LED-based, with customizable colors and dimming options to set the mood for any occasion. The master bedroom features a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, underbed storage, and direct access to a private bathroom. The bathroom itself boasts a rainfall shower, modern fixtures, and a heated floor perfect for those cold morning starts. Additional sleeping spaces are available through convertible furniture and an overhead loft, making the W1000 ideal for families or groups. When it comes to technology, the W1000 is ahead of its time. It includes a built-in entertainment hub with a 70-inch retractable 4K TV, premium surround sound system, and satellite connectivity for uninterrupted streaming anywhere in the world. Multiple USB-C and wireless charging ports are strategically placed throughout the motorhome, ensuring your devices are always ready. The onboard Wi-Fi router uses a combination of satellite and 5G connectivity to keep you online in even the most remote locations. Practical features have not been overlooked. The W1000 comes with massive storage compartments accessible from outside, perfect for camping gear, bicycles, or tools. The climate control system is multi-zoned, allowing passengers to set their preferred temperatures in different sections of the motorhome. Solar panels on the roof provide sustainable energy, supplemented by a quiet onboard generator for cloudy days or high-energy demands. Safety is another strong point. The W1000 is equipped with advanced driver assist systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for easy maneuvering in tight spots. Air suspension ensures a comfortable ride, while high-performance brakes and traction control guarantee stability in all weather conditions. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures, extended road trips, or simply want a mobile luxury home, the 2026 Kenworth W1000 offers unmatched performance, comfort, and style. It's not just a motorhome, it's a statement of freedom, independence, and refined taste. With its powerful engine, cutting-edge tech, and lavish living space, the W1000 stands at the top of the motorhome world, redefining what it means to travel in style. Enjoy your journey and like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon